Hello students, hope you are going great. Welcome to your science class. Today we will start your second chapter nutrition in animals. All the animals including man need food to remain alive. Like green plants, they cannot prepare their own food. You know that green plants can prepare their own food, but animals cannot prepare their own food, so they depend upon plants either directly or indirectly. They depend on animals also for their food, so they are called heterotrophs. Next is Holozoic mode of nutrition. All animals, herbivorous, carnivorous, and omnivorous, engulf food particles to get nourishment. The food contain nutrients in complex and insoluble form which cannot be utilized by body as such. Such a nutrition is called Holozoic mode of nutrition. It means animals get their nutrient in complex and insoluble form and they cannot utilize it as it is means in complex form, so they undergo many processes so that they can convert that complex or insoluble form into soluble or simple form so that their body can utilize that nutrients. This mode of nutrition is called Holozoic mode of nutrition. To provide nutrition, food undergo many processes in the body which can be studied in following headings. First is ingestion, then digestion, absorption, assimilation and egestion. Today we will know about first process, ingestion. The process of taking in of food is called ingestion. It varies greatly in different types of organism. Some are discussed here. First is paramecium. Paramecium is a unicellular microscopic organism. Unicellular means its body is made up of single cell and we can see this organism only under the microscope. It possesses hair-like cilia all over its body. Around its body it has hair-like structures that are called cilia, which beat in water to sweep the food particles towards its oral cavity. Oral cavity is a space inside the body of paramecium. Paramecium get food from water and take that food inside the oral cavity. Next is Hydra. Hydra is a simple multicellular organism. Simple multicellular means its body is made up of many cells. But body is simple, there are no organs present inside the body, means simple body, not complex body. Its mouth is surrounded by long movable tentacles. These long structures around its mouth is called tentacles. Small aquatic animals which entangled into tentacles are killed by stinging cells of tentacles, means Hydra kill its prey with the help of tentacles. And tentacles then push the killed prey towards its mouth. You can see Hydra in this video, and this Hydra is engulfing a larva of mosquito inside its body. Next is bees. Butterfly and hummingbirds suck nectar from flowers by their sucking mouth parts. In this video, this butterfly is sucking nectar from flower. This is mode of ingestion in bees, butterflies and hummingbirds. So mode of ingestion in bees, butterfly and hummingbirds is sucking. Next is housefly secretes its saliva on food to make it soluble, then suck the liquid food. So mode of ingestion in housefly is also sucking. Spider weaves a web to capture the prey. It inject digestive enzymes into the body of captured prey and digested food is then sucked up. Digestion of food is outside the body in case of housefly and spiders because they secrete digestive enzymes outside their body on the captured prey and then digested food is sucked up, means mode of ingestion in spiders and housefly is sucking. Next is carnivorous animals like tiger, lion, etc. run or jump to catch the prey with the mouth and forearms. Some animals like squirrel, monkey, man use their hands to pick up the food and then carry it to their mouth. It means squirrel, monkeys or man, they pick up the food by hand then bite it, and this is mode of ingestion. Snakes and small fishes swallow the whole animals as food. It means they don't chew or bite the food but swallow it as whole. This is mode of ingestion in small fishes and snakes, means swallowing. Today we have learned about mode of ingestion, means mode of taking food inside the body in different animals. I hope you understand this. Read this and learn the important terms. Thank you and have a nice day.